If you click to watch this video, then clearly you have very little time to put yourself together. Watch this whole video for 2 reasons. It's a time saver, of course, and the tricks and the multi-purpose use of every product shown in this video will surely be an eye-opener for beginners as well as the pros. Now, if I talk while I'm doing my makeup, I know the video could become much longer. So while you watch me do my makeup, I'm going to try not to talk so you can actually see how quick this makeup can be. I will continue to give instructions and some amazing tips that will help you understand the technique better. Get ready for full face makeup in under 10 minutes with barely 4 to 5 products from Mented Cosmetics. Yes, you heard it right, just 4 to 5 products. Mented Cosmetics is a brand that celebrates women of color. If you have had issues finding the exact match of your foundation, then definitely try Mented Cosmetics because they are listening to women of color. Here goes my timer. Welcome to Blush with me and let the makeup begin. Before you start any makeup, make sure to moisturize. I am going to use moisturizer and eye cream by Culture for Good. I've been using this brand for quite some time and I absolutely love the CBD content. Don't forget to use a primer because it holds your makeup in place, it fills your fine lines, pores, and gives a very smooth finish to your foundation. I am using ColourPop's Pretty Fresh. After I use my moisturizer, under eye cream, and primer, I begin with foundation. I'm using the Skin Foundation by Mented Cosmetics in the shade L10. While you watch me apply my foundation, here's a quick tip. Don't wait for your moisturizer or your primer to soak up completely into your skin. Start applying your foundation immediately after you apply your moisturizer and primer. This will help your foundation glide smoothly and you will need lesser product. Lesser product means no heavy, cakey looking foundation look. The reason I use the same foundation as foundation and concealer is because it is a very buildable but yet very smooth and very velvety foundation. This foundation does not feel heavy. It does not go and settle in your fine lines and creases like some other foundations can. Which means if you have dark under eyes, just dab some of this color under your eyes if you need a little bit heavier coverage. Also, your under eyes need products that hydrate. So you do not have oil glands under your eyes, so you cannot say my skin is oily there, right? Everyone can have dryness around your eye area. So avoid using any kind of concealers that are extremely mattifying or drying because that will only highlight your fine lines and wrinkles. And then I use this Mented ABF Duo to contour my face, to bronze my face. I even use it as eyeshadow and my eyebrow filler. Now this ABF bronzer comes in 2 different palettes. One is season 1 and the other one is season 2. I told you, every product you're going to see today is multi-purpose. Now, while you watch me do my thing here, let's talk about how to keep your eyebrows looking natural. Always use one shade lighter than your natural eyebrow color. You can use any other shade of eyebrow pencil that's close to your natural hair color. But I highly recommend to always fix your eyebrows. I don't consider any look complete without fixing the eyebrows. As you're listening to all these tips, and if you have any questions that are coming up in your mind, then please shoot them in the comments below. I am now going to use Mented lip pencil in the shade Night, but as my eyeliner first, and then of course as lip liner too. And also the colors are just beautiful. They're warm and deep, not as dark as black. So I want to do something very simple and get out just to look presentable every day. These are perfect. They don't even budge. They just stay put and they're easy to wash off. So it works perfectly well for my everyday eyeliner look. Watch me do it. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. Also, if you think you want a specific video with details on a particular topic, then let me know. For instance, if you want to know all about eyebrows, how to groom them, how to fix them, then I already have a video. Click up here to watch it and it'll be in my description below as well. If you want to know everything about foundation, then all you need to do is ask. Just write to me. I am on my second set of all their lip liners because I loved the first set so much and I actually finished all those lip liners in the last 1 year. These are extremely smooth pencils and I'm pretty sure if you get some for yourself, you will love them because these are just perfect for brown skin, dark skin, deep skin, and for light skin as well. I have used their every color on my clients of every skin tone and these pencils look amazing. Extremely smooth. It is so blendable, so easily. It just glides on your eyes and on your lips. I have another video that can explain the whole process to find your perfect nude lipsticks. You will see that video featured at the end of this video, so make sure you click on it and watch it. And if you've already watched it, then refresh your memory, watch it again. Now when you apply the lip liner on your lips, make sure to blend it really well with whatever lip color you're applying. Because a lip liner is incomplete without a lipstick and a lipstick is incomplete without a lip liner. Blending them is extremely important so you don't see these two shades as two different colors on your lips. Now I like to use my finger for that nice blotted, blended look. Like I said, I use the Peach Please on my lips and I'm going to use the same color on my cheeks too. Yes, multi-purpose. This gives me that very nice natural flush cheek look that actually lasts all day long because these are very soft matte lipsticks. They are not the drying, cracking kinds. They stay on really well, so they work really well on your cheeks too. Finish off with the mascara of your choice. If you have oily skin, then you do need to settle that foundation with a little bit of powder. Now the trick here is if you find a good foundation that matches your skin tone, most of the people end up buying powders that don't match your foundation. But Mented has these loose setting powders. These are extremely lightweight and they come in 3 different shades. So it's very easy for you to match something that's close to your actual foundation shade. If you want to take this makeup from everyday to an evening look, then you can do it in just 3 simple steps. Watch that video and more amazing videos that help women transform their image and confidence. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Blush with me, Parmita. If you are a subscriber, that means you like my videos. Then hit the like button. If you like the video, then you might want to share it with someone. Just copy the link and send it to your friends. If you see something You say something. You just saw something. So say something about it in the comments below. That was cheesy. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook fan page too. I am a Chicago-based image coach and photographer. If these small tips that I share with you can help you every week, then imagine how much a personalized session can help you transform and become a better version of yourself. You will find my email address in the description below or even on the screen right now. Please email me if you want to work with. Please send me a work-related email on the ID you're seeing right now. I am going to take your leave today, but you continue to practice the tips that I shared in today's video. I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me. Hello blushers, I am so excited to launch my Blush With Me app on HighTide_Live platform this Friday, which is tomorrow. In my program, you will learn how to upgrade your mindset, master your presence and body language, and develop an authentic personal branding to communicate the very best version of yourself to the world. And that is just the first month. I cannot wait for you to join me in this exclusive program. Get ready to begin your journey to a more powerful you. Sign up by clicking the link you'll find in the comment below.